In the year 4075, the 1,000-year war is still going on. Long since, before anyone can remember, the eternal emperors Mark the Great and King Roy had laid siege to each other's nations. Old friends turned into greatest enemies. Nothing could calm the tyrants. Not times, not treaties, or even the amputation of their own heads.
Banana brain.
Fish face!
Knucklehead.
Numbskull! The endless war caused the rains to dry up, leaving a desolate world until one day.
Detective Quillen, there's someone waiting for you in the office.
Okay, I'll meet him in a few, Chief.
You also have to bring the rookie.
Seriously? On my last case before I retire? And just who is this rookie?
Gee, I want my good vibes, man. This is Lieutenant Dennis. He passed all of his detective classes with flying colors.
More like Detective Kindergarten. Come along if you must. And who might you be?
He looks quite suspicious.
How dare you insult my cyborgian appearance? I'll let it go. However, my name is Dr. Von Lee. I have come because I know how to end the 1,000-year war. Impossible! Not at all. My research has found an ancient artifact, the Ring Resistor.
Wow, what a detailed description.
Historical documents show that this ring resistor can bring peace to the world. I want you to find it. Here. Why is it blank?
No, it's not blank.
Not bad, kid. Let's get a move on. Best of luck.
Interesting. Take a look at this temple.
No, I'm not blind.
Are you always this miserable and cranky grandpa?
Don't you ever stop talking, it's like verbal diarrhea. I can't believe I have to babysit the new kid on my last case.
Oh! Whoops, the lights went out.
You tripped on something because you're dumb.
Rookie, I know, but at some point I'll be head detective.
Only in your dreams, kid. What are these words?
It says there was a boat full of people. If you turn around and look back again, there wasn't one single person on the boat. Why?
Another trap. This is all your fault.
Wait, I think I know the answer. They all were married. Hey, stop.
Not bad, kid.
Thanks. Look at that. Is that the
Rain resistor? Thank you for cleaning the rain resistor for me. I make so much money off military technology, I never want the war to end. Ha ha ha! I used you two to traverse the temple because I knew it was dangerous. Ah, 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 ah. And now I shall destroy the rain resistor. Ah, ha 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 ha! Wah, ha 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 ha! One. This was supposed to be my last case. This may be the end, Junior.
Don't call me Junior, Gramps.
Whoa.
That's how it works.
What's this? Lane? Come on, let's get this to the Emperors.
Banana Head.
Beyblade!
I'm going to obliterate your country if the last thing I do. So you're just some talking heads?
Yeah, show some respect. Your Majesties, here's the Lane Resistor.
I remember now.
Hey, Bulk, it's raining outside. Can I borrow your umbrella?
Sure, Roy.
Oh, yeah. I remember now. I forgot to return your umbrella. I guess this is what started this all.
Oh, yeah. Then I stopped the rain so I wouldn't get wet.
Then I started a war. I think it was a pretty stupid reason. I think we should stop.
I agree.
Shake?
They're both idiots. Excellent work, Detective Quinlan. The 1,000-year war is finally over.
I gotta say, it's all thanks to Dennis.
Congratulations, Dennis. I'm promoting you to head detective.
Yes! I'm done. I'm out of here. This job is crazy.